In primetime news this evening, dog paw is dead. Community watch, residents beat assault suspects after woman cries for help. And later, policing the mentally ill. Questions and concerns as cops killed 2 mentally challenged in 2 weeks despite reports of violent behavior.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, in what ways can the police improve how they relate to people with mental illness? You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.